Hello kiddos, today let's talk about simple present. Let's talk about possession. For possession we use have and has. It's important to remember with the subjects I, we, you, they, or two or more names we use have. For he, she, it, and one name we use has. Simple present is used to express general information, habits, routines, possession, and much more. Like here, we use possession. For the affirmative sentence, let's look at some examples. I have two brothers. I have black hair. They have a big house. We have classes on Tuesday and Wednesday. Adrian and Maria have blue eyes. He has a brother and a sister. She has 5 brothers. Now let's look at the negative. For negative we use don't have and doesn't have. Let's look at the examples. I don't have any sisters. I don't have time. They don't have a car. We don't have internet. He doesn't have his book. She doesn't have a good camera. Diego doesn't have blue eyes. Champotón doesn't have a Walmart. Now let's look at the possession for questions. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do we have class today? Do they have a big house? Does he have brown eyes? Does Karen have long hair? Okay, now let's look at the grammar in context. Hi, my name is Delilah. What's your name? Hello, my name is Diego. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have a sister and 2 brothers. And you? No, I am an only child, but I have a beautiful little niece. Oh, that's great.